Now it's okay, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you see, last class we did discuss T ratio of multiple angle. T ratio of multiple angle. T ratio of multiple angle. What is that? First we discuss sine 2a, then after sine 2a, cos 2a, isn't it? Tan 2a
Two
and sine 2a in the
two
terms of 10, then after cos 2a in the terms of 10. Everything we discussed in the last class. Okay. So today we are going to discuss sine 3a, and that is also comes under the T ratio of multiple angle. Okay. Once we complete, then after we will discuss sub multiple angle. That is called half angle formula. Okay. So let us we will complete this. Then after we will see this one. See here first. Sine 3a, sine 3a. And as you know the formula sine 3a, what is that? Sine 3a, 3 sine a. Sine 3a, what is that? 3 sine a minus 4 sine 2a.
minus four.
Anyone? Sine 3a, 3 sine a minus 4 sine 2a. Okay. Now we will see that. Now we will see its proof. Okay. So see here. Now you tell me sine 3a. What can be written? Can it be written in this form? Means a plus 2a. A plus 2a. Of course, we can write sine 3a means a plus
Yes,
2a. I have written it in the terms of compound angle. Understood? So sine of a plus 2a. Clear? Now you tell me sine a plus b compound angle. I taught you what is the formula of
yes,
sine a plus b, sine a into cos b plus cos a into sine b, isn't it? So now you can see here. So here you write sine a plus b, sine a plus b, sine a into cos b. Understood?
cos B
Plus cos a into sine b.
plus
Cos a into
into cos
sine
sin
b.
B.
Sine b is nothing but sine 2a, isn't it? Okay. Now you see, this is sine a and cos 2a, we can convert. Cos 2a, we can write in the terms of sine. What we can write? 1 minus 2 sine square. Can we write or not? Sine a and cos 2a. Cos 2a, three formula we derived. Okay. So out of those three formula, one formula we have to mention here. Cos 2a in the terms of sine. 1 minus 2 sine square a. 1 minus 2 sine square. Understood?
Two
Then
sin
after cos a. Now you see sine 2a. What is the formula of sine 2a? Multiple angle. What is the formula of sine 2a? 2 sine a into cos a. Understood? P ratio of
sin A
multiple
into
angle.
cos.
First formula only. So you can write
Yes,
2 sine A into
two
cos.
sin into
Clear or
cos
not?
A.
Okay. Now you just
Yes,
calculate, simplify. It means sine A, then after
sin
minus
A
2 sine
minus
A,
two sin.
exactly. Then after what we can do? Cos A and here cos A. So what we can write? 2 sine A. Wait a minute. Hello. Now you can see here. Yes. So cos A and here see what I have written 2 sine A cos A into cos A. What we can write? Cos square A. Can we write? Cos square A. And cos square A, direct I am going to write here 1 minus sine square A.
One minus
Hope it is
sin.
clear. Can we write 1 minus sine square A? Yes, we can write. Have you understood here? Have you
Yes,
understood here?
yes, sir.
Okay. So now see what we have to do. Simple. Simple
Sir,
what we
sir,
have to do. See here.
sir, this third line once more.
Okay, this one. Okay, okay. See here. sine A into 1 minus 2 sine square A. Cos 2A, I have written 1 minus 2 sine square A. So what we have done? Cos 2A in the terms of sine. So 1 minus 2 sine square A. Okay. Then
Yes.
just multiply 2 sine cube A. Then after here, cos A and sine 2A. Sine 2A, what is the formula of sine 2? 2 sine A into cos A. Then after,
Main
2
to
sine A and cos A squared, cos A into cos A, cos A square A, and cos A squared A can be written 1 minus sine square A.
one
Identities. First
square.
lecture itself, we discussed
Yes.
these identities, these fundamental identities. So that you have. I hope you understood
Yes,
this.
sir.
Have you understood? Sine A minus
Yes, sir.
sine
Understood.
cube A. Just multiply here 2 sine
Minus sine
2 sine
cube
A
A
and plus minus 2 sine cube A.
minus
Okay, so here it is very simple. Sine A, 2 sine A and plus sine A. Sine A plus 2 sine A, what we can write? Definitely we can write now 3 sine A.
3
Clear?
sine.
2 sine cube A minus 2 sine cube A. What we can write? 4 sine cube A. Okay, so this is what? That is the formula of sine 3A. T ratios of what? Multi-triangle. Is this clear? Sine 3A, just you remember this formula.
Yes,
Sine
sir.
3A, because while solving the question, we will use n number of times. So now itself, you have to remember this formula. That is very important formula. Understood? Okay. Then after
Yes.
cos 3A, cos 3A. Listen here, cos 3A.
Cos
So similarly, you can prove this formula also. Cos 3A is what? Let me write the formula first. Cos 3A. Cos 3A is equals to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Okay, so this formula you can prove by this only. Okay, so once you have to try. Okay, first you try
yes.
it out.
Yes, sir.
If you are able, then it is good. If it is not, then definitely I will let you know. Okay, and the last formula is tan 3A.
10 3.
Tan 3A. So what is tan 3A? Tan 3A, what is the formula of tan 3A? Tan 3A, tell me. Tan 3A, 3 tan A
3
minus
sine A
10 QA.
minus
Listen,
4.
3 10 A minus 10 QA divided by 1 minus 3 10 square A. Okay, tan 3A,
Yes.
3 10 A minus 10 QA divided by 1 minus 3 10 square A. Hope it is clear to you. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So now you have to prove this formula. This formula you can prove by yourself. Okay. This formula first sine 3 I have shown you. Hope you have understood. Okay. You have to use the same concept for proving cos 3. Okay. And tan 3 I will show you. See here. See, if you know sine and cos, then tan is very simple. Simply we have to divide. That's it. What we have to do? Simply you have to divide. That we have already understood in the before lecture itself. Okay. So listen, tan
Yes.
3a, tan 3a. So what we
10
can
3.
write? Tan 3a, 3 tan a, 3 tan a
3
minus tan
10
cube
A.
divided by 1 minus 3 tan square. Okay. So see direct here, right? Tan 3a we can write sine 3a divided by cos
3 A.
3. Can we write? Tan 3a,
Yes,
sine by
sir.
cos 10, right? And angle is 3a, 3a, 3, everywhere 3. Okay, very nice. Now you tell. Sine 3, what is the formula of sine 3? Sine 3 is nothing but what? 3 sine A minus sine 3, 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A. 4 sine
Sine square.
cos 3a. Cos 3a
Cube.
is what? 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Simply I have
3
written.
cos A.
I have not done anything. Simply I have written the formula which we have studied. Okay. So now you see.
Yes.
Now what I am going to do? Now I am going to divide by cos cube A in numerator and denominator. Right? In numerator and denominator. So see here what I am going to do. 3 sine A divided by cos cube A. Clear? Then after minus 4 sine cube A divided by cos cube A. Clear?
cos cube A.
Yeah.
Yes.
So now you see, divides 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Just divide cos cube A divided by cos cube A minus 3 cos A divided by cos cube A. Is this clear?
Cos
I have not
cube
done
A.
anything. Simply what we
Yes.
have done, simply we divide in numerator and denominator by cos cube A. That's clear.
Cos 3A.
Okay. Now you see, if you simplify this, then sine divided by cos cube A. So sine by cos 10, and in the denominator we will get what? Cos square A. So 1 by cos square A is what? Sec square A. Getting my point? So what we can write here? 3 10 A into sec square A. Have you understood this? Have you understood this?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So see here, what I am saying, sine A divided by cos A, can we write? Into 1 by
Yes.
cos square A. So
1
sine by cos what? 10, and 1 by cos is what?
10.
Sec square A. Hope it is
Sec.
clear, isn't
Yes,
it?
sir. Now clear.
Then after sine cube A divided by cos cube A. So sine by cos what? 10. So we can write here
Yes.
10 cube A
10 cube A.
divided by, now you see here, cos and cos gets cancelled, right? And we are getting 4. Then after 1 cos and 3 cos. So in the denominator you will get, we will have how many cos? Cos is squared, means cos power 2. So direct what we can write? Can we write 3 sec square A? Definitely we
Sec
can write,
square.
isn't it? Okay. Now you see very clearly that here sec square A, okay, and here 10 cube A. Getting my point? So sec square
Yes.
A we will convert in 10. What we will do? We will convert in
10.
10. Okay. So see here. I'm writing here 310
Yes.
A, 310 A. Sec square A, what we can write? 1 plus 10 square A. 1
1
plus
plus 10
10 square A and minus
square.
10 cube A.
10
Clear? And divided by 4 minus 3 sec square.
minus
3 sec square A. See here. 3 sec square A. Clear? Then you can
Yes.
also convert this sec square. Here itself, if you want, then you can convert it. Better you convert. Why to prolong it? Okay. So 3. What we can write? 1 plus 10 square.
1 plus
Clear my point?
10 square.
Okay. Yes. Now just simplify that. Now just simplify that. That's it. So see here, I am writing here 310A. Just multiply. So what we are getting? 310A. Okay. 310A. Then after you will get 310 cube A. 310 cube A. Okay. Then after minus, this is what? This is 10 cube A.
Cube
Right
A.
now? This is
Yes.
10 cube A.
10
So wait a minute. 1 4 should be there, na? 1 4 should be there. Getting my point? Because this 4 is there, na? Sine cube A divided by cos cube A. So sine by cos 10. So there should be 4. Okay. So 4 actually I have not written. Okay. So you write here. So what we can write? 4 10
4
cube
10 cube A.
cube A. Clear? Okay.
Yes.
Now simplify this in the denominator. 4 minus 3 minus 3 10 square A.
10
Square A. Is this clear now? Okay.
Yes.
Now see 310A, 310A and 310Q minus 410Q. Then what we are getting? We can get 310A minus 10Q. Very simple. Clear? 4 minus 3,
Yes.
1 minus 310 square. So this is what our formula. Understood? This is what our formula.
Yes.
So finally we have proved this. Clear my point?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Have you any doubt? Then you can ask me. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me. No doubt. Very good. Okay, one more,
Sir,
one
last,
question. Sorry,
sir, last line.
last line, this one.
Yes.
Okay, so see here, what I have done here, this expression, you see very carefully this expression, 310a into 1 plus 10 square a minus 4 10 cube a. So what I have done, simply I have just multiplied 1 and then after 10 square a. So 310a plus 310 cube a, simply 310a and 10 square a, so we have multiplied. Once you multiply, then after I am getting this one, so I have written, then after minus 4
Yes.
10 cube a. Clear? In the, this is in the
Yes.
numerator calculus, right? Now calculation. Now in
Yes, sir.
denominator you see 4 minus 3 into 1 plus 10 square a. 1 plus 10 square, I have written what? Sec square a, sec square a I have
Yes.
converted, right? By using identities. You must know.
I did.
Okay. So 1 plus
Yes,
10
sir.
square, then after I have simply multiplied 3, then after minus 3 10 square. So once
Yes.
you do this, then after finally you are getting this. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Now you see one questions we will discuss. One question we will discuss. Tell me. Sine cube theta plus sine 3 theta divided by cos cube theta minus cos 3 theta is equals to what? See, actually, why I have given these questions, because you know whatever formula we have used, okay, so those formulas can be cleared. Means our concept can be cleared by solving this problem. Okay, so see here what I have done. Sine cube, so leave it as it is. Sine cube theta. So sine 3
Thank you.
theta means sine 3a. This formula you have to apply. Sine 3a. What? 3 sine a, sine 3. 3 sine a minus 4 sine
4
cube.
sine.
Understood? A means
Yes.
theta. Actually, here
Yes.
theta is there, so better you write theta. Divided by cos 3a. So cos 3a.
Cos.
Cos 3a, what we can write? Cos 3a. Actually, here cos cube a. So better you write here cos cube a, and this formula you convert cos 3a. 4 cos cube
4.
a minus 3 cos a. That's it.
Cos.
Clear? Now you simplify.
Yes.
Now you simplify it. See here. Sine cube theta and minus 4 sine cube theta. So what you are getting? Tell me. So we are
3
getting,
sine.
yes, 3 sine theta. Then after minus what? 3
Minus
sine cube theta.
3 sine cube theta.
Getting it or not?
Yes, sir.
Sine cube theta. This we are getting, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then after cos 3a, just calculate this.
3
Cos cube
cos
theta
square.
minus 4
Cos
cos cube theta and plus 3 cos theta. Clear?
3 cos. Yes.
Anything is getting cancelled? Anything is getting cancelled?
Yeah. 3
Cos
cube theta.
cube theta minus 4 cos cube theta. Right now? So better what we can write?
Yes.
Better you can write, here you write 3 sine theta minus 3 sine cube theta divided by 3 cos theta. 3 cos
cos
theta
theta. Cos
minus 3 cos cube theta.
3 cos cube theta.
Clear? 3 cos
Yeah.
cube theta, na? Because cos cube minus 4 cos cube.
Yes.
So what we are getting? 3 cos theta. Okay. So now you tell me, here 3 sine theta and here 3 cos theta can be taken as a common, right? Now? So what we can say? 3 sine theta. So what we are getting? 1
Sine
minus 2 sine square theta.
minus
Getting it
sine.
or not?
Yes.
Getting it or not?
Yes.
And here
Getting
3 cos
3
theta
cos
and 1 minus
minus 3
hey, yeah,
square theta.
here 2 not. Here 2 not. Only. Okay. And here also
Yes.
simply cos square theta. See here 3 cancel
Cos
and sine theta by cos theta. What we can write? Tan theta.
Tan
Can we write
theta.
or not? 1 minus sine square
Yes,
theta
we
is
can.
what? Listen here. 1 minus sine square theta is what? Cos square theta.
Yes, square
And 1
theta.
minus cos square theta is what? Sine square theta. Getting it?
Sin
Okay.
square theta.
And 10. 10
Yes.
better you write what? Sine by cos.
Tan is
10 is equals to what? Sine by cos, na? So tan theta,
yes.
sine theta by cos theta. Okay.
Sin
So
theta.
cos cancel, sine
Yes.
cancel. Okay. So cos by sine, cot theta. Cot theta is our answer.
Cos.
Clear? Is this clear?
Yes.